Iba Ardent Basaya ma Bade Personal Ramba Jang VPP ila ai ka Jingmut halor ka Jingiakhih jong khasi student yon madru ba abadan ka Jingiakhih ka bajai ka long uso jong ka Jingchap aba ka Jingiakhih ka badan ka Jingkulmar bun basim kabu babu ka jima ya ki panba ka Sorkar pat ka dam da ka Kmen Habadan ka Jingkulmar knang bagi panba kin klan no ka Jingdawa jong ki
ka dau hi ka long bala ringi jet ban penong ye ki Jingiakhih ki bala ban penmi ye ki Jingmut sao ki Jingkulmar kan long ka kabu ka bakrao ye ka Sorkar ba kan kier na ki Jingiakhih ka Sorkar kan general Kmen shikade bala ki Jingiakhih ki kot no tang ki Jingkulmar but on katap no ru ya ki mat ki badai bani kren ki badai bani kun ki bakai Sorkar kan hapan juba hakaba ki briu ki ne kren no ye ki wipat ki benta kum ki jinge ki jing shepting ki jing ret sim ki jing penrem ki bami na ki ne ki Jingkulmar ha ki Jingiakhih kumta kanong ka babha shibon la ringi pentikina bagi Jingiakhih ki bangi pelong persya ka Sorkar kinum thau Jingkulmar namar kanong rukalat ka kabu yikiri shim kabu bakin penmi Jingkulmar knaban penput nam yaki bakhot yaki Jingiakhih ngamla ru klem dai kublik kerpang ikinong elam jong Kakasi Students Union ki ba kloy ban penpau kumba kila penpau haki kot kubor baki pediang ya ki jing kentho ki jing wodau ki jing wodong haki bedi bat kani ki jingja kablami hakani kasi ka bakila penong ya ki Jingiakhih wat lada ke la penshine du kasi baningkong ba ka Jingiakhih jengki kanong ka bajai jai nga penrem juru ye ki briu ki bashim kabu ban penmi Jingkulmar hakani ka Jingiakhih but ka dauhi ka bapelong bakini ka Jingkulmar kan mi ka denamar ba ka Sorkar kala bakla bat kamshim na penbiang ye ki bor bahara ki babiang wat hadin bakil tip bagandon kani ke Jingiakhih lara ka Sorkar kan jin la pinbian iki bor pahara kinong sim kabu kinami ola pan penmi iki Jingkulmar aka juk pon nge pendrem jur yaki seng kali kamai ki bana Assam ki bala pelong ye ke Jingiakhih persya ke ni Jingja but bakata ka Jingiakhih ki jengki kalong penban kum ke jing pen ibor ka pamia hap dor bat ka i ka belaja hakani kanong ba ka jengi kini kalong ka kubor ka bang kwa banai hakani ka por ka pamenta. This is Ardent Milab, President of the Voice of the People Party. In this video I would like to give a kind of an advisory statement as far as the movement and protest against the government is concerned. And I would like to begin with a question. And the question is, why non-violence form of agitation and demonstration is far more better than any other kind of agitations? The reason is that when we choose for a violent means of protest, we should remember that it will always benefit the government. The government will be very happy to see that every agitation turns violent. so that it will get the opportunity to hide behind the law and order situation. Real problems will be swept under the carpet, and people will no longer discuss about genuine demands that the government should address. They will instead discuss about problem arises out of the agitation, fear that grips the minds of the people, condemnations, so on and so forth. It will also give a chance to vested interest to create problem and thereby give a bad name to the organizer and the state as a whole. I would also like to appreciate the leadership of the Khasi Students' Union for their maturity when they clearly stated in the media that they are willing to accept criticisms in connection with what happened on their protest day, despite the fact that they had made a very clear announcement that their rally protest will be a peaceful one. And also at the same time, I would like to condemn the anti-social elements who took advantage of the situation and create trouble, leading to the breakdown of law and order in the state. Another point that I would like to mention is the failure of the government to provide adequate security and to beef up security on the protest day. And I would also like to condemn the Commercial Vehicle Association of SAM, who have reacted disproportionately to what happened in Meghalaya. Thank you.